Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials: an active My Philhealth account and a working authenticator app on your phone. Once logged into My Philhealth, go straight to Account or Security Settings and choose Two-Factor Authentication, then pick the time-based one-time password option. Do this now, don't delay. Make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time because Totp depends on exact time. You'll be prompted to continue. Tap the option to generate a new Totp key and move to the next step. Now scan the QR code shown on My Philhealth with your authenticator app, or type the secret key manually if scanning fails. Once your app shows a 6-digit code, type it back into the My Philhealth verification box. If the code expires, wait for the next one and try again. After successful verification, immediately download or copy the provided recovery codes. These let you regain access if you lose your device. Label the device in your account and confirm any session or email alerts before proceeding. Finish by confirming Totp is active and then test it. Sign out of My Philhealth and sign back in using the app's code when prompted. Revoke any old sessions you no longer need, and if possible, register a secondary authenticator or backup method. Keep recovery codes in 2 secure places. If a code is rejected, first sync your phone's clock to network time, check time zone settings, and retry. If problems persist, remove and re-add the Totp entry or contact support for account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.